Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. K.K. Rai. Today I am going to discuss a drama, The Merchant of Venice. This drama is prescribed in the syllabus of Part 2. It is a famous drama written by William Shakespeare. First of all, I shall discuss Shakespeare as a dramatist. Undoubtedly, Shakespeare was the greatest dramatist of England of the 16th century. In fact, that age is known as the age of Shakespeare, as he wrote several dramas. Shakespeare wrote comedies and the tragedies, and he also wrote historical plays. As a dramatist, Shakespeare is unparalleled. No other dramatist of England can match with Shakespeare. The dramas and the characters created by Shakespeare stick to the memory of the readers. They are unforgettable. Shakespeare, as a dramatist, has carved out a niche for himself in the realm of dramas. It is the greatness on the part of Shakespeare that, on the one hand, he wrote excellent comedies, on the other hand, he wrote excellent tragedies. King Lear, Macbeth, Othello, Hamlet, Julius Caesar are remarkable tragedies of Shakespeare. The Merchant of Venice is a drama, and the characters who figure in this drama are Antonio, Bassanio, Shylock, and Portia. These are the important characters of this drama, and the plot of this drama revolves around them. Antonio is the merchant of Venice. He may be dubbed as the hero of this drama. He is a money lender. He is kind-hearted and very sympathetic to the people. He lends money to the people and does not charge any interest from them. On the contrary, Shylock is also a money lender of Venice. He is a Jew and he is a cruel man. Nobody likes him. He also lent money to the people and he charged a high rate of interest from them. Naturally, people did not like Shylock and they did not go to him for money. On account of Antonio, Shylock's business was incurring loss. Therefore, he was jealous of him. He wanted to take revenge upon him. Antonio had a friend. His name was Bassanio. He was very close to Antonio. He was in love with a lady. Her name was Portia. Portia is the most important character in this drama. Of all the female characters created by Shakespeare, it is Portia who is very remarkable. Bassanio wanted to marry Portia. For this purpose, he was in need of money. But he did not have money. He went to Antonio for this purpose. As ill luck would have it, Antonio did not have money at that moment, as his ship had gone into the sea for business. He went to Shylock to get money. First of all, Shylock was very surprised to see him because he did not like him. Antonio explained the reason of his arrival. Shylock became ready to pay him money, but he put some conditions, and he said that he was ready to pay him money if he signed a bond. According to the bond, Antonio had to pay 3,000 ducats at the appropriate date. In case of failure, Shylock would have the legal right to cut a pound of flesh from his body. It was a cruel condition. For this, Bassanio was not ready. He tells his friend not to accept this proposal, but Antonio was hopeful that his ship will return and he would be in a position to return the whole amount, and he gladly signed the bond. Bassanio got the money and he went away. Unluckily, Antonio could not return the amount which he had borrowed from Shylock. Shylock was in search of this opportunity. He filed a suit in the court of Duke, and he claimed to cut a pound of flesh from Antonio's body. It was very horrible. Bassanio was informed regarding this incident. After knowing it, he became extremely sorry. He narrated everything to Portia. Portia was also very sad and sorry to know this.